Being good with money is a goal that many individuals strive to achieve. The ability to manage finances effectively and make informed decisions about saving, investing, and spending is crucial for financial well-being. Contrary to popular belief, being good with money is not an innate talent, but rather a skill that can be learned and honed with practice. So today, I'll take you to 9 golden rules to master your money like a pro. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Create a financial plan. To effectively manage money, it is essential to have a well-defined financial plan. Setting clear goals and outlining the steps required to achieve them is crucial. Whether it involves establishing an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for retirement, a financial plan provides a roadmap for success. Identifying the cost associated with each goal and determining the necessary time frame are important initial steps. By assigning priorities to these goals, individuals can allocate funds accordingly, ensuring progress towards their desired outcomes. You can also break down big goals into smaller manageable tasks to help you from being overwhelmed, and this also fosters a sense of accomplishment along the way. Number 2. Create a budget. Creating and adhering to a budget is a fundamental aspect of effective money management. A budget acts as a tool for monitoring income and expenses. The goal should be to spend less than what is earned, thereby creating a surplus to support financial goals. The key to successful budgeting lies in finding a method that suits an individual's preferences and simplifies the whole process. Many people avoid budgeting due to the perceived complexity and time-consuming nature of tracking expenses. However, the value that budgeting brings to one's financial life far outweighs the initial effort. Budgeting cultivates discipline, facilitates smarter financial decisions, and provides a foundation for securing future savings and investments. Number 3. Track your spending. In addition to budgeting, it is crucial to track daily spending habits. Monitoring expenses help identify areas of potential overspending and reveals the cumulative impact of small purchases. By categorizing expenses into fixed and variable, individuals can gain insight into where adjustments can be made. Fixed expenses such as insurance, subscriptions, and housing costs can be reviewed annually for potential savings, while variable expenses like dining out and entertainment can be controlled more actively on a monthly basis. Although initially time-consuming, tracking expenses becomes more efficient and meaningful with practice, fostering greater awareness and control over spending habits. Number 4. Work on your mindset. Developing a positive mindset is essential for effective money management. By working on our mindset, we can change the way we think about money and view it as a tool to achieve our goals. Here are a few ways to cultivate a positive money mindset. One approach is to keep a journal. By reflecting on our financial goals, challenges, and progress, we can identify any negative belief or behavior that can hold us back. Replacing these with positive affirmations and empowering thoughts helps rewire our mindset for success. Reading books on personal finance is another powerful method. These resources provide practical strategies, insights, and inspiration from successful individuals. By immersing ourselves in these books, we expand our financial knowledge and learn techniques for budgeting, saving, and investing. Motivational videos and seminars can also have a significant impact, since they offer practical tips and advice, motivating us to take control of our finances. Learning from experts and successful individuals also inspires and guides us towards making financial decisions better. Having a mentor or seeking guidance from a financial advisor is invaluable. They provide personalized advice, support, and accountability on our financial journey. Learning from their experiences and avoiding common pitfalls helps shape a positive money mindset. Working on our mindset is an ongoing process that requires consistent effort. By engaging in practices like journaling, reading, watching motivational content, and seeking guidance, we can transform our relationship with money. Over time, we develop the confidence, discipline, and resilience needed to make wise financial choices and achieve our goals. Remember, financial success starts with cultivating the right mindset. Number 5. Regularly contribute to savings. Developing healthy financial habits involves depositing money into a savings account on a regular basis. Setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account at the end of each month is an excellent strategy. With automation, you no longer need to remember to make the transfer manually, since it is done automatically. Studies have shown that people who automate their savings tend to save more than those who rely on manual transfers. By eliminating the decision-making process of whether to save or not, the money is directly assigned to your savings account, and accessing it does not require a lengthy procedure. It is advisable to explore different banks and compare interest rates on savings accounts to ensure you receive the best returns on your money. Saving money provides a sense of financial security in life. When you have cash set aside for emergencies, you have a safety net to rely on when the unexpected occurs. Despite the importance of saving money, many individuals still struggle to follow through with it. Merely understanding the need to save is not enough when it comes to making sound financial decisions. It requires consistent action and commitment. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the ThriveWise love so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 6, limit your credit card purchases. A common temptation when running out of cash is to rely solely on credit cards without considering affordability. However, it is crucial to resist the urge to use credit cards for purchases that are beyond your means, especially for unnecessary items. Unless you have a well-established monthly budget and can easily pay off your credit card balance, this practice can be dangerous. By keeping everyday expenses such as groceries and utility bills separate from your credit card balance, you can create a significant step towards gaining control over your spending. Practicing delayed gratification by postponing large purchases instead of sacrificing essential needs or relying on credit cards allows for a more thorough evaluation of necessity and price comparison. Therefore, it is advisable to save up before making significant purchases. Saving instead of using credit not only helps you avoid paying interest, but also prevents the consequences of neglecting bills and obligations. Number 7, pay down debt. Managing debt is an essential aspect of responsible budgeting and a fundamental money management skill for achieving financial independence. When creating a budget, prioritizing debt repayment should be among your top considerations. Before taking on additional debt, ensure that you can incorporate the repayment, including any interest that may accompany it, into your budget. Thoroughly research and compare personal loan offers to find the best fit for your financial situation. Once you acquire debt, you have a financial obligation to repay it. When setting up a budget, focus on paying off your debt before indulging in discretionary spending. By diligently working towards debt reduction, you alleviate the burden of financial obligations and create a solid foundation for future financial stability. Number 8, invest. If you aim to grow your assets and make wise use of your money, investing is a crucial strategy. Investing allows you to put your money into vehicles that have the potential to generate strong returns and build wealth over time. While you may not have extensive investment experience, there are now several user-friendly investment platforms available that can offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. When done correctly, investments can supplement your income and provide a reliable cash flow. If you're uncertain about where to invest, seeking guidance from an investor or fund manager can help you make informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. By avoiding investment altogether, you miss out on opportunities to increase your financial worth. Although investing carries some risk, if you invest wisely, the potential for gains outweighs the potential for losses. Number 9. Stay motivated with financial podcasts and videos. There is an abundance of educational resources available to help you save and invest your money wisely. Consistently educating yourself on various financial topics is essential for improving your money management skills. The vast amount of financial content online includes articles, videos, and numerous podcasts dedicated to debt repayment, intelligent investing, and comfortable retirement planning. These podcasts cover a wide range of topics, from the basics of personal finance to advanced investment strategies, and are present in various engaging formats. Regularly listening to financial podcasts and watching videos serves as a source of motivation and inspiration to achieve your financial goals. When you hear stories of individuals who have successfully overcome their financial struggles, you realize that you can do it too. These resources provide valuable insights, practical tips, and real-life examples that empower you to make informed financial decisions and improve your overall financial well-being. Well, that's basically 9 golden rules to master money like a pro. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.